If you had initially connected your Tokenkeeper or your Telegram wallet address to dogs, your token will be sent there. So don't worry, the wallet connection was just a task, not a mandatory selection of where you will receive your token. And mind you that if you select an exchange, your dog coins will be sent to that exchange wallet without a gas fee. This is good for those that want to trade immediately. So if you want to trade immediately, you can buy and sell. You can now forward your assets to your exchange wallet address. Now, if you want to bypass the payment of gas fee, you can use exchange because using the exchange is free. Now, if you don't want to go through the rigorous process of claiming now through an exchange, go ahead with either your Telegram or your Tokenkeeper wallet, but you will have to pay gas fee. And if you try to claim and it keeps loading forever without opening the app on Telegram, don't worry. It's definitely congestion on the website or poor service connection. So just be patient and try again. Don't fret, don't worry. And another thing I must tell you is if you must sell your tokens, please, 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 and please do not sell all. You can maybe sell like 50%, wait to buy back. That is if you must sell your tokens. And if you must sell all of your tokens, do not withdraw your USDT. Just keep it and buy back when it dips. The game is buy low and sell high to make profit. If you have found any value so far in this brief pep talk, please like the video and share to help other people. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you very much. So now let's hit on the deposit to exchanges. We see wallet in Telegram. That's for those who might want to connect their Telegram wallet. And we also see this option of non-custodial wallet. We're not going to choose that. It's not even highlighted, meaning it's not available. It will only be available after listing. So we go ahead and hit on the exchanges that is highlighted. We hit on continue. Next up here, we see two exchanges. That's OKX and Bybit. Please, if you live in countries like Nigeria or India or countries like that where OKX exited, please avoid OKX and use Bybit. So let's go on and hit on our Bybit. Send here. Do you have a Bybit account? Yes, I do. So you see now, we are asked to input our Bybit UID, our dog's deposit address, and our memo. I'm going to show you right away where to find those on Bybit. At this point, if you haven't already verified your Bybit account, please be sure to verify your account with a valid ID card. And if you don't already have a Bybit account, please go ahead and create one. The process is very simple. So let's head over to Bybit. To get our unique ID that was asked for, top left here, we see like yes, we just hit open there. You see down below this email address, down below your email address, the email you used to create your Bybit, your verified Bybit account, you see UID. So we're gonna go ahead. You can go ahead and copy it like I have copied successfully. And you go back to your Telegram. You see Bybit UID and you can input that. So now going back to copy our dog's deposit address on Bybit. And to get that deposit address, you see here by the right hand side here where it's highlighted deposit, you just go ahead and hit on deposit. Down bottom, you see deposit crypto. You hit on deposit crypto. And here we have a search bar. You go ahead and type dog. So as I typed the dog, you notice that there are many dogs here. So you do well to correct the to select the correct wallet address in the exchange. If you check, you will see some things like AI Doge, Baby Doge, Doge. Please look out for the last one, which is the real dogs that we are going for. Look out for the logo of the dogs you want to copy. So this is the dogs we want to copy. We go ahead and hit on that. They're asking for the network type, and that's tone. Okay. So you see here, we have selected the wallet address we want to copy, which is docs, and the network, which is tone. So here now we have our wallet address. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. The wallet address has been copied successfully. And we're going back to docs on Telegram. Hit on docs deposit address and paste it. And now we're going back for the memo. We have successfully copied the memo. So we're going back to Telegram, memo, and we'll paste it there. You see, just checking to be sure everything is correct. The UID, the docs wallet address on Bybit, and the memo is correct. Please do not fail to, whether you're using your UID or the wallet address, do not fail to include your tags, which is either you call it tags or the memo, please. So go ahead, hit on send, confirm withdrawal of 7,200 so dogs. That's how much I have. So now yes, that's correct. Bybit UID, my deposit address, and my memo. You may lose your tokens if this UID, wallet address, or memo are incorrect. That will happen if you selected the wrong docs. KYC passed only, exchanges, and so on. So if you are not sure, you can go ahead and hit on choose another option. But I am very sure of these details I have inputted in the boxes, so I go ahead and confirm. Deposit is in progress. Now be ready for listing on August 20. Woof! Hi, thank you very much for staying with me all this time. I apologize for the little noise in the background. I'm in transit. Please, if you found any value in this video, please do well to like the video, share to help other people, and subscribe to the channel. And I also have this question of people complaining that they cannot connect their Tonekeeper wallet address to docs. I don't think that was a mandatory requirement. I don't think it was a prerequisite for token distribution, because if it was, we would not have this option of imputing exchanges address to make withdrawal. So don't worry. But if you want to satisfy your curiosity, please go on patiently and continue trying. You will definitely be able to connect your wallet. But if you cannot, don't worry yourself. You will receive your tokens. Just follow the right process like I've shown you in this video, and your token will be distributed to you. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.